Inside America's next nuclear reactors, liquids so hot they destroy ordinary metals flow past spinning hardware. We make the parts that survive it. Multiscale Systems pairs wire laser metal 3D printing with precision machining. This hybrid manufacturing builds superalloy bearings for molten-sodium and molten-salt reactors. Our Gen 4 bearings are deployed in the National Laboratory, and bearing hardware is now in production for molten-salt reactor refueling systems being built today. All engineered and built in Worcester, Massachusetts, with multiple SBIR awards, an SBA 504 loan, growing staff, and even spinning out Armory Technologies, a private equity-backed materials innovator. American-made parts for American energy independence. With a Freedom 250 award, we'll scale a supply line the nation can't afford to import. Multiscale Systems, Worcester, Massachusetts. Visit multiscalesystems.com to learn more about our domestic advanced manufacturing technologies.